Understanding seasons. A key in English capitalization rules. Hello, English language learners. Today, we're diving deep into an important aspect of English capitalization rules. It's all about seasons. This might seem simple at first, but in English, seasons have some unique rules when it comes to capitalization. So let's understand the concept of seasons and how to use them correctly in English writing. Seasons are a division of the year, marked by changes in weather, ecology, and the amount of daylight. There are 4 seasons generally recognized in English-speaking cultures. 1. Spring. 2. Summer. 3. Autumn, also called fall. 4. Winter. These seasons are part of a natural cycle, and they repeat every year. Now, here is a critical point for English learners. When it comes to capitalizing the names of the seasons, the general rule is that we do not capitalize them. This is because they are considered common nouns, not proper nouns. For example, I love going to the beach in summer. She often goes skiing in winter. However, there is an exception. If the season is part of a proper noun or title, or if it's the first word in a sentence, then you capitalize it. For example, I'm taking the spring semester off at university. Summer in New York is always exciting. Using the concept of seasons in sentences requires an understanding of the context. Remember, when using them in a general sense, seasons are not capitalized. But if they're part of a title or are used at the beginning of a sentence, then you need to capitalize them. Let's see a few more examples. Do you have any plans for spring break? I have a book titled, The Winter of Our Discontent. Remember, when in doubt, keep the season lowercase unless it's part of a title, or the first word of a sentence. And there we have it, folks. This was a brief overview of understanding the concept of seasons in the English language and their capitalization rules. We hope you find it useful for your English writing. With practice, these rules will become second nature. So keep practicing, keep learning, and we'll see you in our next video. Happy learning!